Hey guys, congratulations, you made it to the next video. And at this point, you've already signed up on the Book Me Now app. So kudos to you. You're ready to actually start getting bookings for your services, right? Um, but this video is to confirm that your profile is properly set up. You can, so that way you're sure and confident that everything works perfectly. So now on the app, when you come to the profile tab at the bottom right here, there are a few things you can go through here. At the top there's your profile picture that you set when you were creating the business, right? And it shows your business name, and then you have these two buttons that says, one says share business link, the other one says preview. So let's click the preview to see what happens. When you click preview, this is actually going to show you how your service storefront or your business storefront would look like. So if you look here, you see it took me to a website. This is literally what, if somebody clicks your business link, this is what they would see. They will see details of your business and now see all the services you have. But currently we haven't created any service, so that's why it's showing no services available now. So now we know that, okay, there are a few things we need to do. We have to make sure there are services provided, right? So we can do that later on the next video. But next is the personal details. When you click that, it takes you to, this is the account owner's detail. So if you want to change the account owner's full name, their mobile number, and their picture, you can actually change it anytime you want. If the business owner wants to change their personal email, they will need to reach out to you as the agent, and you would have to reach out to us. And now this is because we want to make sure that we can verify these email addresses, right? We want to make sure that nobody's doing any fraud on the app. Yes. So now the next thing on that list is the business details. So the business details, everything regarding to the business. So initially when we were signing up, you saw when we were signing up that they were able to provide all this information. They provided the business logo or image or photo. They provided the business name. They provided the industry the business is in. They provided the address. They provided the country. Also, once you select a country, you cannot change it until you get in touch with us. That way, we would have to also verify your business to make sure it's not fraudulent. And also then they can provide their business email, their business number, and the description. Now, in addition to that, they can actually provide their social details, so their social media accounts. So when you click on the socials tab at the top there, you can switch between general and socials. When you click that, they can provide their username for Instagram, for Twitter, for Facebook, their WhatsApp phone number if they have, their LinkedIn if they have. If they also have their own personal website, they can provide it. But this is really secondary because you can always come here to edit them whenever you like. So that's cool. Let's go back to the main page here. The next important thing on this list is the availability. And when you click that, it takes you to this page that shows you your business hours. So it is really important to come here and edit all the business hours for the days that your business operates. For example, if I am not working on Sunday, all I have to do is turn off Sunday. So I can just click the toggle there on the right of Sunday and turn it off completely, right? And then I can go through, maybe I don't work on Saturdays too. At the bottom, I can click turn off for Saturday. And then maybe on Monday, I start at 8 a.m., but I close at, sorry, maybe I close at 9 p.m. I can just, sorry about that. So I can just set that, and then when I'm done, I click save. Now, this is going to make sure that people can only book you within your business hours. So it's important that you set the availability for every business that you sign up. The next important thing is the payout details. If you remember, when we were signing up in the previous video, we actually provided the payout details. That's why on the link there it says payout details. Then on the right it says connected. That's because we've actually connected one. But if for any reason you want to change it, you can go back to that page and actually choose the bank. Remember, if it's a Nigerian business, you choose a Nigerian bank. And if it's a Nigerian business, the banks that will be showing are just Nigerian banks. But because the account I'm currently logged onto is actually Ghanaian account, that's why it's showing me Ghana banks, right? So then you provide the account number, and when you're done, you click verify details. It would fetch the full name linked to the account, so you verify that it's actually your account or the intended account before you save it. Let's go back. The next thing on that list is ratings and reviews. So whenever people book you and you want them to come say positive thing about your business, they can actually do it on your link. For example, let's go back to the preview business on the top there. When we click it, notice once your business storefront loads up, you see it's the service tab. We are on the services tab, right? If you see there, but there's also reviews tab there, which says 0 reviews, right? So with this, somebody can write a review if they have already used your service. They can just click write a review and fill out this form. When they submit it, the review would actually show on your storefront. And also, if anybody drops any review, you would actually see the ratings and reviews displayed there, but nobody has dropped anything. So something we can do is actually test that out. We can go to the preview. This is the test account, so I can actually play with the data, but make sure you don't play with any business's data, please. When you go to reviews, let's attempt to write a review for this particular test account I have on. So when you click write a review, I have to fill this information: my name, Peter Onisha, my email, this is my email. Write a review. I'm like, I'll write, this is let me use all small caps. This is a test review. Yeah, and then maybe I give you 5 stars. I can choose any number of stars. I can give you 5 stars, because why not? When you click submit, it's actually going to submit this review, right? And you can see now that on my business page I have 1 review now, right? Now when I go back to my account, whenever somebody drops a review on my page, I would actually receive a notification. Let me see if notification came. It didn't come, but anyways, when I now go to ratings and reviews, it will then show me all the reviews I have received so far. You can see I received a review that says this is a test review, which is what I created, and I actually gave it a 5 star. You can see it says a few seconds ago. And as a business, I'm able to reply reviews. So I can reply to the person that actually dropped that review, and they'll get an email so that we can tackle any issue they had or anything of that sort, right? So that's fine. The next thing is business terms and conditions. So if it happens that some of these businesses have terms and conditions that they want their customers to accept before maybe patronizing their service, they have to attach that file. Or if they want to enter it manually, they can write their business and terms, like the business terms and conditions here, and save that. Next thing is, whenever you want to contact support, it's easy. As an agent, you already have access to us from the WhatsApp group chat, so kindly reach out to us anytime. But if you want to call us, just click the call button there and you can actually place a call and call us. If you want to actually send us an email, you click contact support there. Well, you can even write what your issue is within, so the business can write the issue within the app and it will come to us directly, right? So that's very straightforward. Just as I said earlier on the previous video, this video will be in series of episodes, right? So this is the end of this one. The next video, we will talk about services, how to create services, how to edit your service, how to configure your service, how to preview your service, and how to share your service link. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.